Well, here we are with the MXTV Enduro project bike, the WR250F. It's a 2018 model that we started with. We'll have a look at it. It looks unbelievable. Let me start with telling you the products that we put on this bike. First thing we started off with, the Ringmaster Sticker Kit. He has absolutely killed it this year. It looks amazing. So the theme on the project bike this year is to keep it all blue. And we did that by putting Polysport's blue side plates on it and some blue louver guards as well on the radiator louver guards. We made those blue. Also keeping with the blue theme is we got some new hand guards from Barkbuster, some blue ones. The original are white. The other theme that we kept with this bike is we're trying to keep it as light as possible. So what we've done, instead of putting radiator braces on it, we've just put radiator brackets on it. We've taken out the original battery and put a Motocell lithium battery in it. This has got to be at least a third lighter than the original battery, and they also tell me it's got quite a long lifespan as well. We've put some Pro Taper handlebars on there with the Carmichael bend. That's the bend that I like from Pro Taper. We've also got an adjustable clutch lever from Pro Taper, and I also run a set of grips from Pro Taper as well, which are a little bit thinner and softer. Something that's really cool is from GYTR or Yamaha's accessories is I've got a new seat. You'll see the seat's black. The seat's 1 inch smaller for us shorter riders, and it does make a bit of a difference. I can now touch the ground. The guys down at Gas Imports have supplied an Aquapovic titanium complete system. Now this has made a huge difference to the bike, and the really cool GYTR blue bling bits are a rear brake disc guard, a back brake clevis, the front brake clip, a case saver, oil plug, and they also supplied us with the radiator brackets as well. And our good friends down at Link International have also supplied us with the RK chain, a rear anodized RK blue sprocket, and high flow air filters. And to add to the performance of the bike, Pirelli have supplied us with some tyres. You know I've been running Pirelli for quite some time. Now we've got a GYTR power tuner to tune the bike in with the new Aquapovic pipe, and also the tyres will make a big difference too. So I can't wait to play around with that and just see what settings I come up with that suit me best. So enough about all the bling on the bike. We know it looks fantastic. It's now time to see whether it performs as good as it looks. I can't wait to try these parts out. Let's go and have a ride and let's see what we come back with. Well, I've just come back from riding the WR250 project bike, and man, what a difference it's made. The exhaust system with the Aquapovic exhaust system, it is titanium, so it's lighter, but boy, does it have some bark to it. It really does open the bottom end and give it a lot more mid and also top end range as well. The other big thing about it is the tyres. Before it had very stock 6-day tyres on it. These tyres with the Pirellis, completely different feel. A lot more grab, a lot more bite. Now the other thing to the bike is the engine's standard, everything else is standard. It's not really that much of a difference. It looks a lot better, that's for sure, and I like looks in bikes. I think, you know, if you look good, then you're halfway there and you feel better when you're riding the bike. And the other benefit for this is on-selling. When you on-sell your bike looks better, you get better money for it too. Now the two other performance parts that we added to the bike, we used Power Plus race fuel. We put a GYTR braided back brake line on it as well. That's given the back brakes just that little bit better feel and the brakes won't fade as much. So there you go, that's our Enduro project bike for 2017/18. Keep up to date with more improvements that we make to it throughout next year. On our Instagram page, we'll be putting up photos and videos. Make sure if you're out for a trail ride, come up and say good day and have a look at this thing in the flesh. It really is a work of art. I love it. Catch you next time.